Welcome back to Luxor Review. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel filter on any Panther platform car from, I guess, 1992 to 2011. I guess they're all the same. It's real simple. All you need is a flathead screwdriver and a jack or a lift to get underneath your car. We're using a lift today, and so we're going to put it in a lift. Get it set. Your next step is, after you get it off the ground, is to locate the fuel filter. It's right here behind the
There's the star of our show.
Behind the passenger door.
Yes.
And you will need a drain pan or something to catch the gasoline that comes out. And also you need for this one you need a simple flathead screwdriver.
Or this.
Or that.
Make it easy. Next part. It did not spray in it. And whoever did the last one did it wrong because they missed the locks and the connector. It's a wonder it didn't blow off on you.
How old do you think that fuel filter is?
It was from August the 7th, 2014.
So it's past due, isn't it?
No, I don't know when it was. Actually, it wasn't that old. You know, maybe a little stopped up. You wouldn't really know until you looked inside of it.
You know, I didn't want to cut it off for the video.
Always when you're put one on, but the rounded stamp part always goes towards the fuel tank. And you put these little doodads back in there, hairpins, whatever you want to call them. Make sure they get in there right. The last person missed one up front. They got it messed up, but I got it right. Tighten that little band clamp. You are done.
That was 2 minutes. And then we have a new fuel filter. And also, while we're under here,
good.
We found that we need new ball joints and what was the other one?
You need upper and lower ball joints, sway bar links, which are these parts right here. Those bars.
Yeah.
Both sides. You always put them in as a pair anyway. And then another thing that makes cars squeak is this rubber bushing that's in here. Sway bar bushings. You can replace them. Sometimes they'll squeak. You don't ever put any lubricant on them. If you ever lubricate sway bar bushings, they'll squeak from now on. Okay, you see the way the fuel flows through there, that arrow?
Yes.
So the way you back blow this on the white paper, and you'll see whatever's trapped inside there. You don't actually have to cut the filter open. See how dirty that was?
Yeah.
I mean, we don't even have to go any further.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
That was a dirty filter.
Needed to be changed. So now we're going to do a performance run. See if it runs any better. It has a little bit more pep or something to it. It feels like it does. I mean, it really feels like it really does feel faster. Maybe it's because I changed something that just feels, that feels a lot better. It's so fast. I'm already up to 40. I mean, I would have been at 35 or 30, but now I'm up to, it's a lot faster, and that is what a fuel filter can do to an older car if you're having like weak starts, or if you're not getting too much pep on the freeway or anything like that. The fuel filter could be the big thing. I mean, I thought this thing just had a no horsepower. No, it is, well, let me get the camera back around. It is the fuel filter. The fuel filter could be your main thing. Yeah, that's a lot better. That is a lot better. I mean, you can't get any better than that. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about changing the fuel filter. I hope this helps you if you need help changing it. And I also hope you subscribe for more videos on car repair or car reviews. Please follow me on Instagram at LUXUR Review, Luxor Review, same name as the channel. And be tuned in for more videos. I've got a video of a Lexus ES coming about why it's a better deal than a new Camry or a new Accord. And I've also got more videos coming soon, so take care.